Good morning, everybody. I'm making some sausage gravy this morning. I have biscuits left over from yesterday morning, so I just decided to make some sausage gravy to go with those, and I'm gonna slice up cantaloupe, and it's gonna be good. Cantaloupe goes so good with sausage gravy. It's wonderful. It goes good with a lot of things, but cantaloupe and sausage gravy, they are so good together. And just like that, it is lunchtime. I'm gonna make some ham and cheese sliders for lunch. I have 6 of these rolls left over. We also have a little bit of leftover meatballs from the meatball subs last night. I'm sorry, y'all, not ham and cheese, turkey and cheese. Well, I have ham, never mind, ham and cheese. I thought I didn't have any ham, I didn't see that one. I'm just gonna put the ham and cheese on. I thought about making a little mustard sauce, but not everybody likes that, so we'll just put ham and cheese, and then everybody can put whatever they want to put on them. It is a beautiful day outside, so the kids are ready to get finished with schoolwork and get out there. One of the first things Sissy asked me this morning is, how long is it until summer break? It's not that far away. So for this ham, it's like these long pieces. I'm probably just have to slice it a little bit. Okay, now I'll just stick these in the oven when it preheats, and we'll just let all that warm up and melt. And we have a little bit of cantaloupe left. The kids have been snacking on it all throughout the day, so I'll just leave that out to go with lunch too. And I'll get out the chips and pretzels. And they probably want celery. That's what they normally want whenever we do sandwiches and chips. They'll have celery with some ranch dressing on the side. After we get everything cleaned up from lunch, while the kids are finishing their schoolwork, I'm gonna rearrange the living room, y'all. Not sure what I'm gonna do yet. I just wanna move everything around, really clean the floor good. While I've got it moved, I'm gonna try something new. I'm actually thinking about moving the fireplace. It's been there ever since we got it. That's where it's been. Because, you know, Titus built that little, I'll show y'all. Titus built this little mantle thing up here. So I've always just kept the fireplace there because I just thought it, you know, looked good being there. But I think I'm gonna try moving it over to the corner, because I don't think, I mean, you know, that can just be like a shelf. It doesn't have to be that it's, you know, gotta be over the fireplace. There are no rules. I mean, there may be rules, but if there are, I don't know them, so we're moving it over there. I'm getting out this cheese too, y'all. These little soft cheese things, they're like the Laughing Cow, but it's the Aldi brand. The pepper jack ones, creamy pepper jack, they are so good. Oh, we had those 2 patties left too last night. You know, when we made the meatball subs, I had extra meat, so I just made 2 like hamburger patties with them. We have those left over too. Nobody ate those, so somebody could make them a little hamburger sandwich if they wanted to. They just have to go in for about 5 minutes. I really like to put like a garlic butter over the top of them and everything, but the kids just like them plain, so that's how I make them. But I love to put some garlic butter on the top of the rolls, and then make a little mustard sauce, mix some mustard and mayonnaise. I have the seeds that I took out of the cantaloupe this morning that I'm gonna take out to the chickens, and I'm gonna put these little celery pieces like this in there too. Have a little chicken treat to take out this afternoon. All right, we got everything cleaned up from lunch. Kids are gonna be finishing their seat work. Here we go. This is the before. I think I can get this done in 1 hour. Let's see what we end up with. kind of want to put the love seat over there up against that wall, but then that only leaves the recliner to separate the kitchen table and the living room area. And I don't really like that whenever it's just the recliner right here and then the table. All right, y'all, so here's what we ended up with. Maybe it'll grow on me. I'm leaving it. We're not gonna move anything now, but we'll see. What do you think about it? Do you like it? You like the living room like this? You do? Oh, he's showing his strength of picking up that chicken. Wow.
And I can pick up a 1,000 stool.
A 1,000-pound stool? Wow. Sound effects too. That's great.
Yeah.
We've started something here. We have started something. So yeah, this is how it's gonna stay for a while. What I'm not loving is the mantle with just the recliner there. If the love seat was over there, I think I would like that look better. But like I said, I don't want the recliner with, oh, and I moved the table this way for a little while too. We do that from time to time. But yeah, I don't like the recliner being right up against the table. So this tire gate, whatever this thing is, was up under one of the love seat or the couch, I don't know. I do like the table that way for now, but yeah, we're just gonna leave it like this. We'll see how long it stays this way.
It's a sunny day.
It is a sunny day. Let's go see if we got a turkey egg today.
Okay, hallelujah.
We've had turkey eggs for the past 3 days, so today will be the 4th day in a row if we have one.
Where's the turkey egg?
There is a turkey egg. Not a double yolk, but there's an egg. I forgot the chicken treats for Roosty and the girls.
Can I help you?
Mm-hmm. You wanna hold it?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can find them. They went over this way. They do their rounds every day.
Yeah.
They have a path they go.
They say we're that way. Okay.
Yeah, I see Miss Turkey. Look, here they are. The carrot tray has now become the chicken treat tray. Miss Turkey got her some. Oh, they're going for the cantaloupe first, I see, instead of the celery.
Do you want some? You can have some cantaloupe. Think she don't want some.
She don't want some?
No, she don't want that cantaloupe. Hey, the chickens did.
Okay, they'll come back. That's their little path they travel every day.
Why there is a rotten egg?
Well, here comes Miss Turkey. Look, she said she ain't gonna be the rotten egg. She said, not today. All right, y'all, it's time to cook supper now. Tonight, we're having hot dogs, bacon wrapped, cream cheese stuffed peppers,
I want to make hot dogs.
and chips. You like hot dogs?
Yeah.
So first, you slice the peppers, take out the seeds.
Mom, wash your hands good.
He always looking out for folks. Okay, we got that part done. That's the hard part. That's done, out of the way. I don't have any toothpicks, but I have these little skewers right here. I'm gonna soak them in some water so that when we wrap the bacon around, we can use these, because Titus got this really thick bacon right here, the right brand.
A lot of y'all probably remember way back in the day they had this show where there was these lifeguards. I forget the name of them. We were little. Basically, I'm the cowboy version of that. If anybody falls in that foot deep water, it's only 1 foot. It's 12 inches from the bottom to the top right there. I'll run down these steps, and from here, I would then throw my hat, and I would dive.
I'd like to see that. I'd like to see the dive. Can you practice it?
My boots off. My boots. It's cold. But you just got to get right down there in it. So basically all we got right there is a big old mud puddle.
Yeah, especially when it rains, it's definitely a mud puddle.
You can just think about that being just a big mud puddle when you look out here with some tadpoles. All right, everybody. Now, what you want to do is squint your eyeballs, and if you got your little plate with a little chip on it, just so you don't offend people, you just put your big old thumb over it. That's why you do that right there. Notice how you can't see nothing? Mm-hmm. But that, I know some people are going to be asking, what kind of hot dogs are y'all using? These are ballpark beef. That'll ease your mind. That's what we're using. We like to come in here with a little zig and a zag. Put a little mustard on mine too. You'd love to get that just right, but sometimes it just don't happen. Kind of like life. Everything don't go according to plan sometimes. Every now and then it does. I like this chili right here, and this is the good kind right here, everybody. Bunker Hill. We was raised on that. Now here's the peppers, right, Mama?
Yeah, that's good.
Everybody, we ain't trying to make no fancy plate tonight. This is just straightforward, straight to the point. Put you a little pepper over on the side. There you go. Now, I don't mind if I do come in here with one of my fake spoons and just dip right down in that potato salad and put it right there. Everybody, I might just go ahead and just really enjoy myself and have one slaw dog. Right there it is, everybody.